Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got these gears for crafting and it makes all my crafting sessions so much more fun. I love to scrapbook, so these gears make my pages really pop and give it a three-dimensional feel to it. First, I just lay them down where I want them, and then I use the double-sided tape. They're really lightweight, so they hold very easily. Awesome. As you can see, there are different sizes, different shapes inside of them. There are different tones of coppers and browns, and they even have some silvers in there. And I really love that they're very versatile. So if you're an abstract artist, painter, crafter, anything like that, and you are looking for something to kind of spice up and make things a little different, I would definitely highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.